Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited, but we are going to be unboxing my November-December Chic Beauty box. You guys want to see what I got in here, what my day 5, my 12 days of giveaway are, well then definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so first things first, today marks day 5 of my 12 days of giveaway. And what am I giving away, guys? Well, I wanted you guys to pamper and treat yourselves, so I'm giving away a whole bunch of goodies seen right here. You're gonna get a nice luxury robe, a nice luxury blanket, some socks, some face masks, some hot cocoa, some candles, some other scattered goodies in between. I just wanted you to pretty much do what I do and have a lazy day, pamper yourself, and just relax. I think in definitely 2020, we need it. Now, as always, guys, my giveaways are held on Instagram, and that's where I always announce my winners on Instagram as well, always on my stories. Speaking of that, I just want to give you guys a heads up. I only have one Instagram account. Just with yesterday and today alone, people have been creating fake accounts in my name. I only have one account. It's at Allie Dawson 89. I would never have at Allie Dawson 89 _official. I'll never have an official account. I'll never have these personal messages written on there. Those are all scammers. Please report them because they're just trying to steal your information. At this point, I'm like, ugh, here we go again. But I'm not letting it get me down. It's just, I feel bad because I don't want anyone to fall for it. So just know that I only have one account. I'm trying to get verified on Instagram, but I think I'm really tiny, so I don't know if that would ever count. But I only have one account, so everything else is just a scammer. So I'm really sorry about that. Also, I have got to say, I'm not a neutral bitch, okay? I'm not a neutral bitch, but I'm living for how this look. I'm actually using the Lunar Beauty Eternal Eclipse collection, which I just reviewed in yesterday's video. And speaking of such, Manny MUA commented on my video. Guys, I cried. I'm not even kidding you. I freaking cried. He happened to comment about the scene where I showed the Last Airbender when Aang takes fire, the Fire Lord's bending away from him. I showed that scene and he commented on it and I was like, he watched my video. I was like freaking out. So yeah, that was a really moment for me. It felt really good and you guys were so sweet in the comments. So thank you guys so much for just really making my day. Yesterday was a really hard day for me and that that made my night. That's probably why I cried. I was crying of happy tears. So yeah, that was really cool. So now to dive into Chic Beauty Box. Now, if you guys don't know what Chic Beauty is, this is a makeup subscription service where it is charged bi-monthly. It does ship from Canada, so there is a shipping and handling fee. I want to say it's anywhere between $7 to $8. This does cost $34.99 every other month, and you get about 4 to 5 full-size products in here with a retail value of over $100 plus. Now, I actually do have a discount code. It's not an affiliate or anything like that, so I don't make any money, but it's code AllieX10, which will save you guys 10% off your first box. The coolest thing about this is that if you don't want to just sign up for the subscription, you can just buy this box every single time you see it released. You can see what the goodies are. It will cost you $39.99, just $5 extra more dollars. But that way you don't have to lock yourself into any commitment. You could just sign up. You could just buy the box that you particularly want to have. But I'm so excited because they did give this to me in PR. So Chic Beauty, thank you guys so much for sending this to me. I'm excited to dive in here. I really do enjoy their boxes because they typically just have makeup in here. And I'm like, that's fantastic. I also did already film my BoxyCharm unboxing. You guys will see my opinion on Monday. That's a good one. All right, so let's just go ahead and dive into this. So first off, what they put it in is just so freaking cute. I really like the holiday theming. And when you open it up, it's a little red box for the holidays. That is so adorable. I'm living for that. All right, so I literally have no idea what we're getting in here. I think I saw a spoiler with a Kevin Aquan item in here. I could be wrong, but I swear I saw it on their teasers a while back, but that'd be really cool. So first things first. Oh my God, look at this. They even have the box decorated. That is so cute. Okay, so here we have a little insert right here. Now, what I really do like about these boxes is they show you 2 different variations. So you can kind of get a mix of the 2. They put the total price point for each box, so you don't have to do your math yourself. So you don't have to do the math yourself, which I just, thank you, because I do a lot of unboxings, so it's kind of nice for somebody to do the work for me. So first things first, y'all. First things first, we have a YSL product in here. This is a bougie product. I don't own like barely anything from this brand, and I won't buy from this brand because of how expensive it is. It's like a luxurious item that I have seen like Jaclyn Hill, like Jeffree Star, Tati talk about, and I was like, oh God, I can never afford those. So, oh my God. Okay, well, this is in the shade Rouge Per Couture Vernus à la Veris 8 Orange de Shining. I don't know what that is. Okay, so this, oh, there's two. Okay, so this is a glossy stain. So this retails for $38. The fuck? Whoa, this is a $38 lip stain? Oh, bitch. Well, it kind of looked like I just spread ketchup on my hand. Yeah, maybe because it's a lip stain, it literally looks like I'm smearing like blood and or ketchup on my hands. But I think because it's a lip stain, I think that's why it's not grabbing like an actual like liquid lip would do, a lipstick would do. So maybe that's why it's looking like that. I don't generally ever use lip stains. And it doesn't tell you on here like how to use the product. But that still is really cool. Oh, I didn't get it on me, did I? Okay. So I guess we're gonna let this dry down. It's like a hot fire engine red. It leans more orange than it does red, but I do appreciate them putting this like color into the box because you gotta have that holiday spirit. All right, we'll let that dry down. I'm not good at swatches, so I just want to preface that and say that now. Okay, so next item, dude. What the hell? Okay, next item is another YSL item. This is Full Metal Shadow. This is a Brilliant Metal Impact Color Tenue 16 Hour. What brand is YSL from? Okay, so this retails for $30, a little bit cheaper than the Glossy Stain, and this looks like it's a liquid eyeshadow. Oh, but look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, so there we have that right there. It's very, very hard to see it. It is a very light color. It's like a champagne. It's like a nudie champagne with just a little reflex of like just like a little reflect right back at you. It's very gorgeous. It reminds me a lot of the Still Glitter and Glows, maybe like similar to like the Kitten Karma or just Kitten. Very, very nice. And I could tell this will blend very, very nicely into an eyeshadow. How many times when I say very, very nicely, Allie? Like, I think you should take a shot every time I say that. But I think it's really gorgeous. Now, this is a really tiny product for $30. I personally would never spend the money on something so tiny just because I am, you know, frugal and broke and your girl can't afford that. But that is actually really, really nice. Very beautiful. I like how it glides on. It does seem like it dries down just a bit. So this would be more so towards something people who don't want to do like intensive eye looks or just want to have some neutral everyday eye look. I highly recommend using something like this. Very gorgeous. I'm excited to be trying this out. Okay, wow, YSL. Yo, not even like BoxyCharm or like Ipsy would dive into YSL. Okay. All right, so next we have a Round the Clock 8 p.m. Intensive Cream Gel Liner. This is from Bare Minerals. Now this is from Bare Minerals, and this retails for $17. Now, so far I have 2 items from Variation 1 and 1 item from Variation 2. So you're not always guaranteed to get the full variation, but I do like the mix of that. So that's $17. This looks like it's a black shade. Wow, that glided on beautifully. Oh my gosh, that is nice. Okay, I see we're going like high-end here. Merry Christmas, Allie. Okay, so next we have a product from Maybelline, and this is the Maybelline Face Studio Brush. This retails for $9.98. Can't just beat 10. But this is from Variation 1, and this is how the product looks. So this is supposed to be a face brush. I don't want to pull it out of the bag. I could tell that it's an angled brush. I know for a fact I probably wouldn't really get a use out of it because I'm obsessed with my bling brushes. Like, my favorite brush of all time is my F3. I have stocked up on this brush because this is like my holy grail go-to brush. Like, I need this brush, so I won't use anything else besides this for contouring and like face stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this into my No Waste Wednesday, but I do like the fact that they are including drugstore options as well. That's actually really nice. Merry Christmas. Merry Kringle. Merry Chrysler. Hopefully you guys know what Christine is from. you know, Vine, because that would be awkward.
Merry Crisis. Merry Chrysler.
But what we have right here is a Kevin Aquan. Kevin Aquan. Neon Limelight highlight palette. Now this retails for $38. We created books on how to do makeup, how to be professional. If you ever want to learn makeup techniques, definitely check out Kevin Aquan. Oh my God, and it's wrapped up in this pouch. I want to open it and hear like holy music. Oh, bitch, though, look at that packaging. Oh my God, this is like a luxury in my hand. What? You're so pretty. Oh my gosh. No, no, no. It's broken. No, no, Kevin. No. My first Kevin Aquan item. It's broken. Oh my God. No, but for real though, this, I don't know where this extra's. Okay, well, I'm making it worse. Wow, I am making that so much worse. Okay, well, hold on. Oh, that's because it slid. It slid. Oh. Okay, well, you know, we're just gonna, crap. Okay, so I'm just gonna like do one big swatch so you guys can see it. Like, it's like a, I'm not flicking you off, I promise. It's like a multi-dimensional like highlight. It like is so stunning. Like it shifts from like a champagne to like a purple. It is so freaking gorgeous. I really wish that I can like lift it up all the way and show you, but I don't want this to fall out. But it is just so smooth. You go back and forth. Oh God, look at that beauty. Like, oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Oh, and mine came broken. Now that's not Chic Beauty's fault at all. Things happen in shipping and handling. My ColourPop palettes come broken all the time. It is what it is. It happens. I try to fix it as best as possible. So that really is unfortunate that my first Kevin Aquan item did come broken, slid, but we will try whatever we can to fix it. I can't really like push it back, but I'll try to put some alcohol in here to get it to smush back in. But that is really freaking cool. Oh my God, that is so cool. And it's so pretty. Such a pretty, pretty palette. Oh, okay. So let me go ahead and add up the value of this box and then tell you guys my opinion on everything. Okay, so the total value of my box is $132.98. Now, first off, I really do love this box. Not only is it all makeup, which thank God, but secondly, it's really high-end items that I personally would never go invest my money into because they're so expensive. I know that you look at like a $38 highlighter. Is that expensive? To me, that is. Like a lip stain for $38. Oh, bitch, I could buy like two or three liquid lips or lip glosses for that price point. It's really rather expensive. That's like an eyeshadow palette price. So I really do love this box. I love the theming of it. I love like the lip stain. Now the lip stain, it does look like dry ketchup. It does look like dry ketchup or like blood on my hands, but I know that's a lip stain, so you're not really looking for like a full coverage. It's just gonna kind of stain your lip. So I didn't want to put that on top of my lip already. I really do like liquid shadow right here. Again, it is very gorgeous, very, very light, but it's great for like a neutral eye, no makeup look. The highlighter, though it came like broken, I'm still like, it's Kevin Aquan. Like, I have a really luxurious highlighter. Like, I'm still really thrilled about it. I really do like that liner. It's very gorgeous. And the only thing I'll be putting aside will be the makeup brush. So this is such a great box. And I know that they allow you guys to customize. A lot of times, I know they do allow customizations. Like when you sign up, sometimes they'll give you the choice. Like, do you want this or with that? It does say that there is a bonus choice item where you can get the Bare Minimals Translucent Powder Duo for $32. But I don't know where that falls in for picking. I generally don't pick out anything out of my box. Sometimes they'll ask me if I want to, but a lot of times they just kind of just do it for me because I do receive this in PR. I don't pay for it, but damn, this is a really great box. Like, I think I can't get over the YSL products and the Kevin Aquan. Like, that is so freaking cool. So Chic Beauty Box, thank you so much for sending this my way. I thoroughly enjoy your products. I really like the fact that you include drugstore and high-end makeup. And the best part about it is that you get makeup, and you get makeup that's well known. Like I swear I've never seen like a YSL or Kevin Aquan products in a box shop or Ipsy. Like, they're stepping their game up. I'm impressed. Chic Beauty Box. you did that. You were that bitch this month. So thank you guys so much. I thoroughly enjoy it, and I will make this Kevin Aquan palette work. I'm gonna keep it nice and locked up in its pouch, but I will save this baby and I'll make it work. So yeah, thank you guys so much. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give it a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every day because it's the season of Vlogmas, so I'll be posting every single day. Make sure you guys head over to my IG so you guys can see how you guys can win day 5 of my giveaway. Also, make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's Art for Life, that you guys get to see my cool, wonderful, amazing fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye. Bish. Oh, this is the special edition. I didn't even see this is special edition. What? You do get a retail value of 100. You do get. Now, I should read that over. I really do like the. And just yesterday and today alone, people have been popping up with fakes account. Just with yesterday alone. So if you guys like this, oh, don't get this anywhere.